Puppy Pals, are you ready to mix all of this ooey gooey slime together? I know I am! Puppy Power Toys! Num Noms Snackables versus Dippers! Puppy Pals, I'm so excited to be opening these up with you today. We have the Num Noms Snackables and look how cute! They look like little takeout containers with a fork and slime! And we also have some Num Nom Dippers! These are so cool because we're going to be taking the Num Noms and dipping them in slime. Let's open up our Num Noms Snackables first. Look, we have a little fork and a little knife. That must be for our slime. What did the egg say to the clown? I don't know. Let's find out. You crack me up. It looks like somebody took a bite out of our collector's guide. Ah! Ooh, look at these big bites. I hope we get an egg. Those look so cute. Wait. Is that a rainbow unicorn donut? I totally want that one. These are so cute. Ooh, ice cream sandwiches and a BLT? What? Oh my gosh, this is so cool, you guys. And look at the little gummies. I totally want all of the gummies. They are so cute. And all the little sweet treats. Ooh, and savory ones. Oh! Ooh, and our slimes are scented. What? That looks so cool. Ooh, and look at the spreadable slimes. I hope we get the birthday cream cheese one. That looks delicious. Ah, look at all these blind bags. And look, somebody's peeking at us. Who is it? Let's see this one, because this one's already coming out. Look at that. That looks like a tomato, you guys. Is it? Oh my gosh, no. It's an egg. Oh my gosh, we got a little angry egg. It looks so angry. Oh, it's so cute though. Look, a little tail for our little egg. And it looks like you can crack it open because I think you can. It's deviled egg. Ah! Next blind bag. Ooh, who is in here? Whoa, is this like a frying pan? It is. And look at the little pink handle with a heart. This is so cool. And it has a little chip taken out of it. This is adorable, you guys. Next one. Look at that. Oh my gosh, did we get another egg? Look how cute. It's a little egg that's missing its yolk. This is adorable. He's so happy. It's little eggy Ed. Ah! Ah! Oh no! Little deviled egg put the egg in the frying pan. Ah! Let's crack open our little eggy. Ooh, I wonder what's inside. Ah! What is that? Whoa! Ooh, look at all that slime in our frying pan. It's so cool looking. And wait, is there somebody in there? Oh, you guys, there's something in there. Ooh, we have to find out who's in here. This slime is so fun. Who's in here? I wonder if it's our little yolk for our egg. You guys, look at that. Look at that strap. Oh, look how cute they have ears. Whoa, look at that. Oh, let's clean her little face off. And we did. We got our little yolk for our egg. Her name is Yara Yolk. And look how perfect she fits in the little egg. So cute. Look how awesome this slime is. It is the most beautiful hot pink color. Look how cool. Oh, I love it. And it's got like confetti in it. It looks kind of like flowers. Oh, I love this slime. And then we can put our slime back in our egg and close it back up so we can keep our slime nice so we can play with it again. Let's unwrap our dippers. Oh, and look at all these blind bags. Who could be in here? Whoa! And we got little Mara Cherry. Look at her cute little bow. She's adorable. And we'll put her stem on her. Look, how cute. Oh, who's in here? Who's in here? We got her best bud, Jerry Cherry. Look how adorable this pair is. They are so cute and they smell like cherries. Now it's time for our slime. And we've already refrigerated this, so let's see. Ooh, look at this ooey gooey slime, you guys. Ew! It's so sticky. Ooh, and our slime smells like cherry syrup. Ew! Ooh, look at our surprise. Who's in there? Look at this little cute pea we found. His name is Little Peter Pod. He's so itty bitty. I love it. Look how cute they look in the slime. Ah, snackable times. Oh, it looks like we got birthday What is in here? Ooh, we got a little ice cream scoop. What could this be? We got little Carla Crimson. And she's a little half a strawberry. Look how cute. And so perfect with our little strawberry cookie. Ooh, I hope this is strawberry ice cream. Oh, we got vanilla ice cream. Let's pop this open. And it's so glittery, you guys. We have glittery ice cream. Oh, and it's so hard. Let's take a scoop of our vanilla ice cream. This looks so yummy. Look at the stretch. This is some stretchy ice cream. Look at that, you guys. Whoa. We're going to make a little ice cream sandwich. We'll put this scoop right here. Next scoop. Yay, another scoop. Now let's put our other little cookie on top. This is going to be the most delicious sandwich ever. I love ice cream sandwiches. You guys, look how cute that is. This is the cutest ice cream sandwich ever. Oh, let's get the rest of our ice cream out. Oh, it's so stretchy. It's like marshmallows. This slime is so stretchy and so fun to play with. Oh, I just love it. Look at all that. It's like a spider web. Whoa. Oh no, our ice cream melted. Next dipper. Whoa. Let's open up our slime. Whoa. Did we get birthday slime? Oh, you guys, look at all the sprinkles. We got birthday frosting. Oh, it's so cool. It's so yummy. I love sprinkles. Oh, and it smells so good. And we have a little surprise in there. Who's in there? Who's in there? Oh, come out, come out. Oh, you guys, it looks like we got a little tomato, tiny tomato. Oh, so cute. Ah! This slime is so cool. I love the sprinkles in it. It's so fun and it's so sticky. Ew. Let's open up our blind bag. What is that? Oh, you guys, we got a little wafer and it looks like strawberry filling and a little chunk taken out. Ah, it's so cute. I love this one. Her little name is Whitney Wafer. Ah! We'll just set her right over here in the slime. Ah! Blind bag number 2. Oh, you guys, it's a little nacho. We got Natasha Nacho and she's an ultra rare. She is so cute. She's got little bunny ears and a little bunny tail and she's a super cute little nacho. Ah! Let's try to put some birthday icing on our nacho. Let's just scoop it up. Whoa! Oh, that's so cool. Puppy Pals, look at all these super cuties today. I absolutely love them. But now it's time to mix all the slimes together. Let's get our little cherry slime. Ooh, this is like a water slime. Ooh, put that right there. So jiggly, look at that. So cool. Next, let's crack our little egg and put that slime in there. Ooh, come out, come out. There we go. Come out. And this is our beautiful pink slime with the confetti in it. So cool. Ooh, and now it's time for our pink, pretty birthday frosting slime. I absolutely love this one because I love the sprinkles. In you go to our pile of slime. Woo-hoo! And then this has to be my favorite, I think. This ice cream slime is so fun to play with. And it's so super stretchy. I love it. Woo! Ooh, look at all that slime. Woo! Puppy Pals, are you ready to mix all of this ooey gooey slime together? I know I am. Let's start mixing. Whoa, it's so cool. It seems like it's mixing together pretty well, except for this ice cream slime. Might have to break that up. Let's pick it up and see if we can mix it better like this. We just have to keep on mixing. Ooh, get that ice cream slime in there. I don't know, Puppy Pals. This is looking really weird. Look at it, you guys. Ooh, we just have to mix it really good. Whoa! Look at that. It even has some spider web from the ice cream slime. Ooh, this is so cool. This is starting to look really good. Ooh, you guys, it feels kind of like crunchy slime with the sprinkles and then the chunks of the ice cream slime. Oh, it's so cool. It weird though. Ooh, it's definitely a pretty color. It's like a dark pink. Look at that. It's really starting to mix up. Look at all the confetti and the sprinkles. So fun. Ooh, looks so good. Look how cool that is. And honestly, it looks like some delicious strawberry ice cream with lots and lots of little cake pieces in it. It looks kind of yummy. Look at the end result of our mixed slime. It's actually kind of pretty. I kind of like it. It looks like ice cream with chunks of it, like chunks of cake and sparkles. Let's try to scoop some up in our little ice cream scoop. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! It looks like really, really melted ice cream now. Puppy Pals, I had so much fun mixing this slime with you and opening up all of our super cute Num Noms. Yay! Puppy Pals, did you like mixing up the slime today? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.